Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 2, textbook page number 60 and 61. The topic multiplication. Before starting our topic, have you done your last homework? That was the learning tables. If you have learned the tables, so it is easier to solve the multiplication. Now on page number 60 you have the topic multiply by 6, 7, 8 enough, because we will not do the table of 9. Table of 6, how many apples altogether? You can see that the apples, every block have the 6 apples. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks and every block have 6 apples. It's mean you will add these 6 apples for the 4 times, because you have learned that multiplication is a repeated addition. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. You can see that 6 for the 4 times. Now count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. We have 24 apples altogether. 4 times 6 or 4 multiplied by 6. You can also write 6 for the 4 time. 4 times 6, 4 multiplied by 6. The answer will be same, 24. There are 24 apples altogether. Now the part 2, multiply by 6. 6 fives, it means 6 multiplied by 5. Have you learned the table? If you learn, so it is easier to tell you. What is the answer of 6 multiplied by 5? The answer is 30. Is your answer same with my answer? Okay, the next one, 6 eighths. It means 6 multiplied by 8. Now tell me what is the answer? 6 multiplied by 8. My answer is 48. Is your answer is also same? Now the part C, 6 nines. 6 multiplied by 9. The answer will be 54. The part D, 6 elevens. It means 6 multiplied by 11. The answer will be 66. Now the part E, a car has 4 wheels. How many wheels do 4 cars have? You can see that every car has 4 wheels. So when you will multiply 4 by 6, the answer will be 24. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. The total wheels of 6 cars are 24, or you can write it as 6 fours. The answer is 24. Now the part F. There are 8 apples in each plate. How many apples are there in 6 plates? Now what will you do? You will multiply 8 by this 6. 8 6 are 48. Now on the other page, page number 61, you have the multiply by 7. There are 7 days in a week. How many days in 4 weeks? So simply what will you do? You will multiply 4 by 7. The answer will be 28. Or you also can write 7 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 7 or 7 multiplied by 4. The both answers have the same, 28. Now the part B, find the product of the following. 7 multiplied by 5. The answer is 35. 7 multiplied by 8. The answer will be 56. 7 multiplied by 9. 63. 7 multiplied by 6. 42. 7 multiplied by 10. The answer is 70. Now the next topic is multiply by 8. There are 8 bags of potatoes with 8 potatoes each. 8 bags which have 8 potatoes. How many potatoes are there altogether? So simply what will you do? You will multiply this 8 with this 8. 8 bags with 8 potatoes. 8 multiplied by 8 or 8 eighths. The answer is 64. If you still didn't learn the tables, so first learn the tables from 2 to 10. Then it is easier to solve these all questions for you. If you can't, so you can take a table book with you, so you can see the answers from it. It is also helpful for you. The part B, 6 multiplied by 3. The answer is 18. Or 3 multiplied by 8. The answer is 18. You also can write 8 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 8. The both answers have the same. Now the part C, 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. Or you can also write 8 multiplied by 6. The answer will be 48. Now the part D, 8 multiplied by 10, 80. The part F, 8 multiplied by 7, 56. 8 multiplied by 4, the answer is 32. 8 multiplied by 5, the answer is 40. You can see the answers. Now this is your homework to solve from page 40 the question, or page 61 on your textbook.